in my question, so for x, meaning that 5 to the x times 5 to the x times 5 to the x is equals to 10. It's very easy to solve. You can first start by multiplying all through. We're going to have 5 to the x cubed, okay, to the third power. Or using the basic principle that we all know, since we have all the same base, you can have 5 to the x. We add all the power plus x. That will be equals to 10. Hence, adding all, we're going to be having what? Adding all, we are going to have 3x. Okay, to find for x, you can use logarithm only. Using log, you have what? Log of 5 to the x, 5 to the 3x is equals to log 10. All is in base 10. We know that log 10, base 10 is equals to what? 1. Hence, we are going to have 3x log 5 is equals to log 10. We can just proceed with this. We'll just put 1 here. Just to have log everywhere, I'm just going to proceed. We are going to have 3x is equals to log 10 all over what? All over log 10. All over log 5, okay. We can apply a principle of logarithm here to simplify. You know that 10 is equals to 5 times 2. Okay, log A times log B is equals to log A plus log B. You know that log A divided by B is equals to log A minus log of B. I'm going through the long method just to show you the step in solving it. You could just end here by saying log 1. Log 10 is equals to 1, hence have 1 all over log 5 is equals to 3x. We divide all through by x, then our answer will be what? 3. 1 over 3 log 5. You could have something like this as the answer, but let's do through the long way. And let me show you some principle of logarithm. Okay, like this. Okay, I'm going to apply it here to have 3x is equals to log 2 plus log 5 all over log of 5. And automatically log 5 and this one will cancel. And you're going to be having what? We move on to have 3x is equals to what? 1 plus log of 2 divided by log of 5. Okay, that is what we have. Also, you know that if you have log of A base like 10 all over log of B base 10, as long as you have the same base here, okay, you can combine this to be what? Log of A B. Log of A base B. Hope you know about this formula, because if you have like this, you can simplify this to have a log of A maybe base 2 all over log of B base 2. You can have something like that. Since they have the same base, we can recombine it. But in case you had log 9 here, base 9 here, it will not happen. Take that into consideration. Okay. Hence we have 3x is equals to 1 plus log of 2 base 5. That is what we're going to be having at this point. Hence our x is equals to 1 plus all over 3. That is our final value of x. You can take this and substitute it back here and have your final answer. I'm not going to use the shortened method using the ln directly. At this point, you have ln of 5 equal to 3x is equals to ln 10. Therefore, have 3x is equals to ln 10. Ln 10 on ln 5. Then half of that is 1/3. Ln 10 on ln 5 and half that. That's the answer. It's almost the same thing. And that is the end. Thanks for watching.